Hello Habibti, Kifint. Hello my friend, how are we doing? And welcome to this quick Maltese language lesson where I will be taking you through all the different ways that you can say goodbye to people in this beautiful language. And we're going to begin by looking at one of the most used farewells. Ciao. 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 And this means bye. And you may notice that that sounds exactly like the way Italian people say goodbye. Obviously, the spelling is a little bit different, but it is indeed pronounced the exact same way. It's ciao. And just so you know, this is quite an informal way of saying goodbye to somebody in Maltese. Also, by the way, if you already don't know, the Maltese language actually has quite a few Italian-sounding words in it, so you'll frequently come across instances like this on this channel. Now, the next farewell expression that we have is sacha. That's sacha, and that means goodbye. And we use sacha as a slightly more formal way to say goodbye. But to be honest, it's quite rare to say this, and actually for the majority of the time, you can just stick with ciao, which of course we just learned a few seconds ago. Having said that though, this word very much still has its place. Also, one interesting thing about it is that the literal meaning of sacha is actually health. So when you say it, you are technically wishing someone good health as part of the farewell. And actually, something else that you might find interesting is that if you're someone that wants to make your entire learning process of the Maltese language easier, you can go to the description below right now, where you can download a free ebook containing 50 of the most popular Maltese words. Now, let's look at how you say have a nice day in Maltese. Here it is. It's il giornata tajba. That's il giornata tajba. And il giornata tajba means have a nice day. And this is something that you can use in both formal and informal situations. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Il-lejl tajjeb. Il-lejl tajjeb. And il-lejl tajjeb means good night. Once again, you can use it in both formal and informal situations, and this is a perfect thing to say to somebody as a farewell at night time. Now, let's take a look at a nice way that we can extend this expression even further. We can say, il-lejl tajjeb u oħlom sabiħ. That's il-lejl tajjeb u oħlom sabiħ. And this means good night and sweet dreams. Now, how would you say see you tomorrow to somebody? Well, for that we would say narak ada. That's narak ada. And narak ada means see you tomorrow in Maltese. Next, ħaj kolli mur. That's ħaj kolli imur. And ħaj kolli imur means I have to go. Now, let's take a look at one that I personally use quite a lot, and you may or may not have heard me say this on my channel before, and it's narak dal waqt. That's narak dal waqt. And this means see you soon. But don't worry, I'm not going just yet. I have more words to teach you. So we have narak iktar tard. Narak iktar tard. And actually this one, narak iktar tard, actually reminds me of one of my students, Craig, because when he first started learning Maltese, he used to say this phrase all the time, right? Narak iktar tard. Even when it wasn't used in exactly the right context. But hey, that's how we learn, right? Because bit by bit and word by word, and with a lot of laughter along the way, these little phrases made a big difference in how confident Craig felt using Maltese in real life conversations. Okay, on to the next one. Hanerjaniji. Hanerjaniji. And to be honest, this is actually one of my favourites because I think it feels really warm and it feels familiar and potentially even kind of fitting, don't you think? It's a little bit like how we always come back and go back to things that feel comfortable, right? And I hope you'll come back too, just like Craig did, maybe for the next video or maybe even for something more. Do you remember Craig, by the way, the student that I mentioned just a few seconds ago? Because he actually started just like you, watching videos, picking up a few words here and there, but then he decided to take it a step further. And now he's able to hold full conversations in Maltese. And honestly, hearing him now is one of the most rewarding things about what I do. So if you're enjoying these lessons and you're curious about learning more, I've put together a full online Maltese language course. It's designed to take you all the way from the basics to real life conversations just like Craig. And by the way, no pressure at all with this. But if you are ready to take your Maltese to the next level, there's a link in the description below where you can check it out. In the meantime, hanerjaniji. I'll be back with another video on this channel, so ciao u narak dalwa.